they're all printing monies now. Hi, my name is Angie Long. I'm self-employed at this moment. I'm here for this course because I would like to preserve wealth and also grow as well, so that my children do not have to worry about money anymore. I found out about VIA through a group of friends that has already attended, and they're all printing monies now. My favorite part in VIP is the coach explaining about stocks, because I personally don't like numbers, and never in my life will I think that I will come into a course learning about stock. But he make it really so easy to grasp all the concepts of this stock, and I'm so excited to start. The most useful part is how Cayden actually uses durian as an example to teach us how to sell options. I definitely recommend this course to all my friends and my loved ones. It's really beneficial. Just come for the masterclass and decide for yourself.